Hi there, welcome to Watson's Daily TV. I'm Peter Watson and I'm here with my take on two major topics in this morning's business news, distilled for you in 3 minutes. This is a cut down version of my weekday newsletter, Watson's Daily, in which I usually comment on a number of companies and themes. Can I beat the buzzer? Today I'm going to talk about US retail and UK retail. Firstly, given that the US economy is chugging along pretty nicely at the moment, I think it's interesting to note that retailer share prices have been coming under attack of late because of increasing investor fears that inventory build-up will mean lots of stock being sold off at heavy discounts early next year. The build-up has occurred as retailers have bought in stock before tariff deadlines that have been imposed as part of the ongoing US-China trade wars. This has affected American retailers across the board, from the upmarket Tiffany to the rather more mundane Target, whose share prices have fallen by 36% and 23% respectively over the last 3 months. Worries about next year have wiped out all the gains made in the retail sector this year that were originally powered by a strong US economy and windfalls for companies and consumers in the form of big tax cuts. Secondly, I wanted to talk briefly about UK retail. Basically, the latest figures from Springboard continue to paint a depressing picture of the prospects for UK retailers, as they predict that footfall will drop by 3% this week, as consumers seem to be reining in the spending ahead of an uncertain new year. The worrying thing about their findings is that it's not just online spending growing at the expense of offline, they are both suffering. Early on this morning, online retailer ASOS issued a profits warning which shocked the market to such an extent that the share price fell by 35% initially on the news. While September and October had been good, November had proved to be dire, prompting the company to rein in their full year forecasts. This is particularly shocking because the company was talking up its prospects as recently as October. You can get more detail on these stories and more in my weekday blog on watsonsdaily.com. For instance, in today's edition I talk about overseas landlords abandoning the UK, Laura Ashley closing outlets, JLR axing more jobs, and Uber making moves in e-bikes. Anyway, Watson's Daily is intended to give you the essence of the day's commercial news with opinion. You can read the whole thing in anything between 1 and 7 minutes. So please go to watsonsdaily.com to find out more if you're interested. See you tomorrow and thanks for watching. Watson, out.